Best wheel alignment tools improve steering accuracy, extend tire life, enhance driving safety, reduce uneven wear, and maximize overall vehicle performance. My today's video is about top 5 best wheel alignment tools for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at top, Lamper Wheel Toe Alignment Tool Kit. For DIY mechanics and home garage owners, this wheel alignment tool offers a practical way to check and adjust front-end toe without relying on expensive shop visits. It provides a dependable toe reference that helps correct toe in and toe out after suspension, steering, or tire maintenance, improving straight-line stability and reducing uneven tire wear. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel toe plates and durable hub stands, the kit resists bending and corrosion for long-lasting performance. Its simple design requires no electronics, calibration, or advanced mechanical experience. Just position the toe plates, attach the dual tape measures, and compare the readings for quick adjustments. While it isn't a replacement for a professional computerized four-wheel alignment, it serves as an excellent maintenance tool between service appointments. By helping maintain proper toe alignment, it enhances steering response, extends tire life, and promotes smoother daily driving. Compact, affordable, and easy to use, it's a valuable addition to any home garage toolkit. Now our second product is Zachman's Scientific DIY Wheel Alignment Kit. This 3-in-1 wheel alignment tool is an excellent solution for accurately measuring camber, caster, and kingpin inclination, making it ideal for both professional workshops and serious DIY mechanics. With measurement ranges covering essential front-end alignment angles, it helps optimize steering performance, improve handling, and extend tire life by ensuring precise wheel geometry. The powerful magnetic mounting system securely attaches to steel wheels, hubs, and brake discs, minimizing movement for consistent, repeatable readings. Its versatile compatibility with wheel clamps, turntables, and rear level plates makes it suitable for complete four-wheel alignment procedures across a wide range of vehicles. Built from durable, shop-grade materials, this tool is designed to withstand frequent use while maintaining long-term accuracy. The included protective composite storage case keeps every component organized and protected during transport or storage. Although it doesn't replace advanced computerized alignment systems, it provides dependable precision for manual alignment tasks, making it a valuable investment for anyone seeking reliable, cost-effective front-end alignment results. Our third product is AutoSolo Wheel Alignment Turn Plates 4-ton capacity. These wheel alignment turn plates are an excellent investment for DIY mechanics and automotive enthusiasts who want professional quality alignment results at home. Designed for accurate toe, camber, and caster adjustments, they eliminate the need for frequent alignment shop visits while helping improve steering precision and tire longevity. Each heavy-duty die-cast plate supports up to 4 tons, making the pair suitable for everything from compact cars to full-size trucks and SUVs. The integrated brass dial provides clear 1-degree measurements with smooth 60-degree rotation in both directions, ensuring reliable and repeatable alignment readings. Their low-profile design allows easy drive-on access, even for lowered vehicles, while the engineered offset accommodates natural wheel movement for improved accuracy. Heavy-duty locking pins keep the plate stable throughout the alignment process, enhancing safety and consistency. Built-in carrying handles make transportation simple despite their rugged construction. Durable, precise, and easy to use, these turn plates are a dependable addition to any home or professional garage. Now number 4, Pecura 2026 Upgraded Wheel Alignment Tool. This upgraded wheel alignment tool is a smart choice for DIY mechanics who want fast, accurate toe alignment without unnecessary complexity. Unlike many traditional systems, it eliminates the need to remove the brake caliper, saving valuable time while making the alignment process much more convenient. Its reinforced construction provides excellent strength and stability, ensuring reliable performance even after repeated use. Equipped with 2 premium 16.4-foot tape measures accurate to 1/32 inch, the tool delivers precise wheel measurements that help improve steering response, straight-line tracking, and tire life. The detachable design folds down to a compact 16-inch size, making it easy to store in a garage, toolbox, or vehicle, while the built-in hanging hole adds extra convenience. Finished with a rust-resistant coating, it is built for long-term durability in demanding environments. Compatible with Jeeps, sedans, trucks, SUVs, dirt bikes, and many UTVs and ATVs, this versatile alignment tool offers dependable performance and excellent value for maintaining proper wheel alignment at home. And our last choice is Ekatui 3D Wheel Alignment Machine. This professional 3D wheel alignment system is designed to deliver exceptional precision for automotive workshops that demand fast, reliable, and repeatable results. Using advanced 3D camera technology, it measures camber, toe, and caster with impressive 0.1 mm and 0.01 degrees accuracy, helping optimize vehicle handling, steering performance, and tire life. The system requires no calibration, allowing technicians to begin alignments quickly by simply moving the vehicle through the measurement zone. Automatic wheel recognition and universal brackets support a wide range of wheel sizes, significantly reducing setup time. Its extensive database of over 60,000 vehicle specifications, combined with LED voice guidance and printable diagnostic reports, streamlines troubleshooting for tire wear, steering pull, and suspension damage. Built for demanding shop environments, the waterproof targets, impact-resistant construction, and maintenance-free reflectors ensure dependable long-term operation. With multilingual software, free updates, integrated accessory storage, and ASE-compliant measurement capabilities, this system is an outstanding investment for professional alignment services. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.